Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Becky.
Hi.
And I'm David, and we're sat in our motorhome. There's a very good reason why we're sat in our motorhome. Becky?
Because we're getting a new one. It's the last night of having this one here.
Yeah, so we're not going to sleep in it tonight. We just thought we'd come in for sentimental reasons and just have a quick scan round. So tomorrow's an exciting day. Yeah. But I thought it would be a good chance to talk about how we actually got into motorhoming, because this is quite new to us, believe it or not. So it's an interesting story. So make sure you're sitting down, because it's going to be a bit of a roller coaster ride. But yeah, it goes back to what, 2020?
February 2022.
2022.
No, 23.
2023.
February 23.
Yeah, we went to Market Drayton in Shropshire. Yeah, for just randomly on a Saturday or Sunday, and we ended up in a quite a quirky little bar, and the conversation went very much like this. We're going to role play it now. We're sitting in the bar, so imagine we're sat in the bar. Shots. You know, we go on holiday for Fairmount.
Yeah.
So we should get a motorhome.
Yeah.
Should we get a motorhome?
Let's go.
Okay. Yeah, that was it pretty much. And that was as much thought that went into it, which is funny.
It's exactly the conversations we have.
Yeah. And yeah, within what, 2 days? No, that must have been on the Saturday.
The next day we went.
Yeah, that was on the Saturday. And on the Sunday, we went to quite a few dealerships. And actually what was funny is no one spoke to us at all. It was the weirdest thing in the world. Like, if you go to a car dealership, you know how everyone sort of jumps on you. No one spoke to us at all until we went to Go European in Cannock, and we what we wanted, because we had Sonny at the time. We didn't have Elijah, hence the channel's called Sonny's Adventures. And obviously I've got Jacob, who's my older child, and Olivia, that's my eldest. And what we were trying to find is a proper bedroom, which this one's got. We were looking for a non-makeup bed for the second bed. So like a drop-down bed or like something a pull-down bed. Yeah, something easy. We were looking for... I was looking for a transit, because we have transits at work, so I was kind of used to driving them. And ideally an automatic, but I don't think that was on the... That wasn't on the agenda, was it?
No.
No.
Didn't even think
what
about
else
it
were we
then,
thinking
did we?
about? I think it was just the beds, the transit, the layout with the seat belts, because obviously we needed at least 4. This comes with 5.
We didn't really go with much that we actually
No,
wanted,
we did the typical thing that we
didn't know anything
do.
about motorhomes.
No, we literally just ploughed straight in and just bought one. We didn't do any research at all, which was good fun. So we stumbled across this one, which was this is a roller team Zafira 696 out of all of them, and was like, this is right. And it wasn't bad money, to be honest with you, as well, considering how much you can pay for motorhomes. And it came with, like, had the satellite dish on it, already had aircon in the hab, so in the hab section at the back there. It had a safari room, which we've never used. What else did it have? It was pretty mint, wasn't it? TV. Full service history. It had the TV in here already. It had refillable gas in here. So it was a pretty good setup, and that was it. We went there, we told the guy we wanted to buy it, and then within a week, we were taking it home. But what we didn't realise on that Saturday was how, I would say, life-changing. Yeah, I think so. I think life-changing it would be for us, because as much as I like to do things, I tend to go in head first, or both feet first, whichever one. This has been so much fun. And I think some of the best things that have come from this is, one, being able to spend so much intimate time as a family together without killing each other, because it hasn't happened. And we have had
the telly, even though the telly's there, we never have it on, do we? So we actually spend quality time together.
It's very, very rare that the TV comes out. So it's just appreciating the little things, which I think this, as much as this is a big thing and can be a big expense, it definitely makes you appreciate the little things a lot more, doesn't it? The fact that you tend to put yourselves in different positions than what you would if you were maybe going to a hotel, because where you stay you might end up getting a taxi, or might be getting trains or buses or walking, you know, which the things that we probably didn't do very much of after having Sonny. But
just sitting outside and
just appreciating, like I said, the little things. I think this is massively, and then we've had so many adventures in this. We've had fun times, we've had challenging times, like the time that someone tried to break into the van at the petrol station. More fun times than challenging times.
We had 2 babies.
We've had 2 babies, yeah. So it tells you we're probably in a very good mood. Yeah. So maybe if you're looking to have kids, get a motorhome, and it happens. So there's so many wonderful things that have happened since having a motorhome. What I find myself doing, which I'm sorry to all my friends and people around me that speak to me about it, is I try to force people into doing it as well, because I want people to experience what we've experienced, because I'm truly passionate about it. I think the other thing about it is it's never ending, so it doesn't have to be this way, but I love the little gadgets. I love the little things. Just the little things sometimes. Oh, that'll be really handy for the motorhome, and I've probably chopped and changed about 1 billion things, haven't I? But I enjoy things like that, and the festivals that we go to, the different campsites. Some amazing, some are okay, or just the wild camping element of it. The fact that we've been able to go to really funny places or different places and have that sort of, sometimes a little bit nerve-wracking, because you might be sleeping somewhere you shouldn't be, for example, but it's quite exciting. And the fact that you can, and once you close all these blinds in here, it's so cozy. You know, it doesn't matter what temperature's outside or anything like that. It feels cozy, it feels safe.
We all sleep so much better in here than we do at home, just because it's lovely. Yeah.
And isn't it funny, like a family of 4, we're in this, and we've got everything from the toilet. We use the shower in this, we use the bathroom, the shower in this is amazing, by the way. And we use the kitchen in this, even though we've got the little camping stove. Yet we've got a big house, or a house, sorry. You know, and it's mad that we've got all that space there, but actually we do everything in this, you know, and it's just amazing what you can do in such a confined space. So this is quite a sad goodbye for our roller team. I would encourage anyone to look at Roller Team as a brand. They're, I guess, probably an entry-ish level, maybe. I don't know.
Yeah, possibly.
They're really good value, I think is the best way to put them. But we've decided to go for our. We wanted a few changes.
We learnt a lot of what we actually want out of a motorhome, haven't we? This has been lovely, but we know exactly what we want for this next one.
I definitely want an automatic, because when you're driving through France, I like driving, but when you're driving 500 miles through France or 800 miles or whatever we do, it's just nice to have that little bit of comfort. I always wanted an A-Class, because I just thought the front space on our motorhome's great, but you can utilise it a lot more in an A-Class, and in an A-Class, which is what we're upgrading to. We haven't really changed on size. We did put a deposit on a really big one, but that didn't go ahead, because I think it would have just been too big for some of the sites we go to. So we're actually probably about the same size as this, maybe 10 centimetres longer, which is about 7.5 metres.
But it feels so much bigger.
Yeah, but it feels so much bigger because of how it's laid out, because of that sort of front section on it. So tomorrow is the day that we pick it up at 10 o'clock from Go European, because we went back to them, and conveniently they had one. That was just luck, wasn't it, really? We had a bit of an issue with another dealer where things weren't exactly what they said they were on the advert, but we won't talk about that. So I think things happen for a reason. We live by that. And this one appeared, and it's just, I think it's meant to be. It's actually the one that we fell in love with at the
show,
the NEC show this year. And weirdly, we didn't buy it then because they wouldn't do us a very good deal on this. So we've actually ended up buying it anyway for 10 grand less. Yeah. 10 grand less, and getting more than what we'd expected for this. So big thumbs up. But anyway.
Exciting.
Yeah,
it looks really like Chuggington.
It looks like Chuggington, yeah. It looks like the fun bus. It looks like the Venga bus. So we're really excited to show that to you guys. But anyway, I think that was this video was all about just giving you a little bit of an insight into how we got into motorhoming, and we've got the kids' monitors just here, and I've just realised Elijah. Let me show you.
It's waking up.
I don't know if you can see that. He's come on. I've got the kids' monitors just there. I don't know if you can see that. Right, yeah, so, oh no, he's up. Owen's down. Anything can happen.
He's up.
He's up, right, your Becky's off. Right, Becky's off. See, Becky's to the rescue. I'd offered, but she beat me to it. So yeah, just to wrap this one up, guys. So we're going to van life, which will be going to in our new motorhome. So if we see you there, guys, we've also got a big sticker board, which I'll show you in a second. So we're going to have loads of stickers. We're also giving away loads of free stuff. So if you see us at van life, please come grab your free stuff. There's no catch. If you've got a sticker, great, stick it on our sticker board. It's a new one, it's completely blank. So we're at van life at Shrewsbury at the end of the month. And then our next adventure after that is we're in France for, I think, 5 weeks. So that's really exciting. We know where we're going, which is the site I've mentioned in some other videos, which is right on the south coast. We just haven't planned the adventure yet of where we're going in between getting there and getting back to the UK. So any suggestions, leave them in the comments below. If you like this video and you like what you hear, give us a thumbs up. What was your story behind it? Let us know in the comments. How did you get into motorhoming? Let us know in the comments below. If you're not subscribed, please click the subscribe button, and if you put on the little bell icon as well, click that and you'll get notified of our new content. Let me show you this sticker board now, and I'll catch you on the next video where we'll be picking up our new motorhome. See you later, guys, and Becky sends a love too from wherever she is in the house. Bye. Right, Beck's back from baby duties. Here's our sticker board. It is empty. It's got a QR code for all our stuff. Please come and stick your stickers on it. Grab some of ours and grab some free stuff before it goes. And we'll see you in van life. See you later. Bye. Thanks for watching.